Good morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Merlin Montimor, 49 years old of age. I have 4 children and I'm married. I'm 4 members of the family. I'm trustworthy, patient person, loving and caring and hardworking person, and God-fearing. I'm 4 members of the family. My first job here in Hong Kong from 2013, taking care of newborn. I serve 4 members of the family, taking care of the newborn, take a bath, feeding, do the household chores, marketing, ironing. My second job here in Hong Kong, taking care of elderly from 2017 until 2022. I serve 2 members of the family. I do the household chores, marketing, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the elderly. I'm the one to give the medicine every morning and night time for mama and yeye. My third job here in Hong Kong is taking care of bedridden from 2022 until 2023, taking care of bedridden. I serve 2 members of the family. My main duties are taking care of the bedridden. I'm the one to take a bath to the bedridden, to Popo, and feeding, cooking, to the household chores, marketing, and ironing. My last contract here in Hong Kong from 2023 until February 15, 2025, taking care of elderly. I serve 2 members of the family. I do the household chores, marketing, cooking, ironing. For the prospective employers, I'll do my best to serve your family. I taking care of them as long as I can. I do my best. And thank you very much. Ni hao ma.